Updating your billing address with First Community Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your online account. Visit the First Community Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account options. Step 3. Select Billing Address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your address. Enter your new billing address in the provided fields. Make sure to double check for any errors to ensure the information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for a Save or Submit button to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your billing address has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing address up to date with First Community Credit Union. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer service for assistance.